Welcome to the Sweetsorrow Collection, presenting Trouble in Snowmanland with works by Brittani Faulkes. Trouble in Paradise. I fell in love with the Canadian winter landscape 35 years ago. More than 10,000 snowmen were built and delighted everybody in Snowmanland. But now Snowmanland is melting away at an increasing pace. The loss of snowmen is like a canary in the coal mine and a sign of danger. We realize that we can lose our glorious winter landscape, and that makes it important and precious. The paintings of Brittani Faulkes celebrate the endless space and endless snow. She creates depth with a gradient of light and shadow that makes everything rounded. Her Gestalt shapes are painted in clear, essential lines that help us remember. The trees have personalities. They tell stories of survival and finding roots. They want to walk and escape. Ideas in the mind are projected onto an image of the world. You enter a dream world of higher mountains and higher goals. But there are signs of trouble in paradise. We wake up to what we can lose in the real world. Strange shapes and wails are a warning. A world without winter, snow and ice, has lost balance. But her beautiful snowman landscapes stay on our minds forever.